So this is Sylvester. He's going to be sharing the model room with me. Extremely friendly. This is his third day in here. I took him in. We think he's about 5 months old. We've been feeding him scraps and everything outside. And really got to taking a liking to him because every time you see him, he'll come up and be purring to death. Real friendly cat. A lot more friendlier than any other one that we've had around. And so we figured we'd give him a shot, see how it goes. One thing is if you hold them paws still, look how big those are. He's real playful. I've just been playing with him, so he's kind of biting right now. But he's got real big paws. Seems like he got short legs, but a real short, stubby tail. But his body seems pretty good size. But yeah, he's a little wound up right now. He's getting a little bit more comfortable. He don't bite real hard, but his claws sure are sharp because they're the little kitten claws. Yeah, we've been trying to get him comfortable in here. Not better than being out in the cold, I'm sure. But since he's along here, he probably would have been alright. Yeah, he's real wound up right now. He's real hyper. So I'm sure he'll be tearing up my models, getting in the way. So just the other day, I was making some room. I ended up packing up about 130 kits. Put them all in totes and wrote down what they were. Man, he just dug his claw right in my back. That didn't feel good at all. Scared the hell out of him too. But he's a cute little fella. Let's see how well he does. But besides him, I've been pretty much just working all day. I had 3 days, 12-hour shifts right in a row. And I worked Saturday, 10 hours. On Sunday I messed with him quite a bit. So I haven't really made any videos. Haven't really worked on any of the models yet. Did some packing up ones that I ain't gonna get to right away, and kept the ones I end up be doing, kept them out. So I'd like to thank Tom Rambler69 for the Christmas card. I really appreciate it. That was really nice of you. You must have really sent out a lot of them. Also, Tom, on that Triumph, I did do a little research, and I think you're right. I think that is a Hubley kit. But one question I had was, those Hubleys all plastic, or were they metal as well? And they just used the metal mold. Well, I guess they probably couldn't use that, so it probably was a plastic kit at the time. But yeah, I do believe that one's a Hubley. Paint's finally cured on that, so I might do a little bit of masking on it and get that body going. And I like to send a message out to Mark at Red 13. If you guys have subscribed to him, him and his family are having a little bit of trouble with the COVID. I really hope that you are doing well. So is your wife and family. Pretty sad to see that, or hear that you guys got it. So I hope the best for you. And next week I'll be on vacation, so I probably get a video out then before Christmas. But if not, I wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, if you're not Catholic out there. And I hope for the best. Hopefully you guys get to spend some time with family safely. Hopefully I don't hear anybody having the whole family get sick because of a holiday. It's nice to see them, but it's nice to stay safe too. So you guys are the judge of your own lives. Don't do it just because the government says anything. Do it. Do the right decision. So I figured I'd just share this little cat, the little new addition to the model room. He seems to be doing pretty good. We'll see how things go. He likes to hide under my chair most of the day since he is new to a house, being out in a barn all the time. It's a good time to be out of the cold, I guess. Be in the warmth of a house, because it's starting to get cold out here. Where I live, there's not too much water or anything, so I don't think he was drinking a lot. Because the first few days he went through probably half a gallon of water. That's a lot for a little guy. But I'm going to try to catch up on your guys' videos that you guys have posted. I have to get back to the comments. I really feel bad about that. I usually try to keep up with that, but work has been so chaotic. I usually try to do my comments while I'm at work on my breaks. But I do read them all as they come in. So everybody stay safe. And until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.